everybody, and welcome back. I've got another tiny house for you up in Portland, Oregon. This one is called the Modern Tiny House. It is on the property of Tiny Digs Hotel, which is just a few minutes away from downtown Portland. They have a total of 9 tiny houses to choose from. Each one has its own kind of special theme and name, and the hosts built and designed each one for everyone to check out. Like I said, it's near the Old Town, Portland, Oregon, so you can just drive on down and check out downtown while you're there. Here's a great little view from inside the bamboo tiny house. Coming in, you can see that this tiny house, without a doubt, is very unique and actually very modern compared to a lot of places I've stayed and ones that I've seen just out and about. So this special feature of this one is this elevated living room above the bed area, which is made with kind of a very thick plexiglass. So the stairs going up are very sturdy, and I felt really comfortable up there. It's just another little seating area for 2 people to enjoy. These tiny houses actually don't come with TVs. The idea is for you to come here and actually just unplug and really not need to be connected to any kind of media. They do have Wi-Fi, so if you actually need to come here and work, that's available to you too. The plexiglass there is clear, so you can kind of see down into the bed. It's kind of a neat little feature. And you have everything that you kind of need in this little space. Just like a hotel room, they're gonna give you a little kitchenette area where they have a few dishes that you can use for maybe just a little light breakfast. There is a refrigerator, so you can put some food in there, a little toaster oven. There is a coffee maker for coffee in the morning, so you have that to use, a little bar area to sit out to eat. And going into the bathroom area, you're going to see that it is an open kind of bathroom, so whoever you're staying with, just keep in mind that privacy is not the priority in this little tiny house. It's 150 square feet, so it's kind of small, but it's perfect for 2 people. So the shower has a rain head shower. It's a nice little space, big enough. They provide you with toiletries to use, so you don't need to worry about bringing any of those things. And the space is really nicely laid out, so it's just like a small little hotel room. Thank you for coming along this quick little tour of the Modern Tiny House. Don't forget to hit that like button and share, and also subscribe so I can keep showing you these tiny houses. Have a great day.